You expect to see the expertise of IBEW Local 103 in electrical installations throughout the Commonwealth, but did you know the helping hand of our electricians and technicians reaches all the way down to Haiti? For months, Local 103 members have been volunteering their time to build a new hospital in this tiny nation following the devastating earthquake of 2010. Working with the aid organization Partners in Health, we are bringing critical healthcare support to those who need it the most.
Electricity is not something you can mess around with, and it's not something that we could afford to waste time with on this project. We need the best, we need the guys from Boston. I instantly turned to Sully Mack and then actually 103 with those. I'd worked with them in Boston and they were the best.
Helping those in need, the right thing to do, more than just electricians. Any of these sayings apply to the men and women of Local 103 who have gone and will continue to go down to Haiti to work on this project. Click on the 103advantage.com for more information.